everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a COPO clone. Wicked fun car to drive, guys. This thing is an animal. Just absolutely gets with the program. It's got a built 427 underneath the hood. That it's actually a 454 block with a 396 crank. That's really the way most of when you see people advertise a 427, that's usually what they are. Factory Garnet red car. This is original color. Factory 711 standard black interior. Most of the interior is original. This car's only got 60,000 original miles on it. There's supposed to be less than 1,000 miles on the restoration. I guess an older man built this car. He actually did this car in the 90s, if you can believe that. Paint is gorgeous on this car. But I guess he kind of took it around to shows and trailered it, so he never put very many miles on this car. Slick garnet red paint. You can see it's got the front rear spoilers on it, cowl hood. Really nicely done car, guys. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks on it, but other than that, man, there's just not a whole lot to really pick. This is a nice car. Pretty paint. Glass is nice. You got to check on the wipers. I don't think the wipers were working, but other than that, I think everything on the car was working. Tach's got a little bit of a mind of its own. Look how nice the paint is on this car. I believe all the glass is original except for the front windshield. A couple little scratch marks I noticed in that rear glass. Fit and finish is nice on the car. Boy, nice and straight down the sides there. It's got the Firestone Wide Oval F70-14 bias ply tires on it with the steel wheels and the poverty caps. You can see it's got the stainless tailpipes. Oh, it's a pretty car, man. And like I say, man, you want to talk about a fun car to drive. This thing gets with it. I'll tell you what, this car being done in a night, somebody's babied this car. This car is beautiful, man. A little touch-up mark on the door. Other than that, man, that's it. Power front disc brakes. Boy, is that a pretty car. You can open the doors and the deck lid, Eddie. You can open the doors and the deck lid. Yeah, again, not a real 427 block, guys. I want to stress that. It's a 454 block with a 396 crank. It's got the Winners aluminum intake. It's got a Holley Performance dual feed floor barrel. That may not stay open, Ed, yeah. Ceramic headers. You can see it's got the stock air cleaner with the chrome valve covers. Power steering, power front disc brakes. It is a 4-speed manual transmission. Again, when they restored it, they put the GM inspection marks on it. All the hoses and clamps. It's got a remember it's got an upgraded distributor on it too. Milidon oil pan. I think we've got that rubber seal in the trunk too. Pretty car. I think the door handles are original. That mirror might be original mirror too. Door pads are original. You're gonna see one little split there. I actually have brand new door pads for it, but a lot of this interior is original, so I didn't want to touch it. Door skins are clean. They put new carpet in it, new sill plates. Bucket seats. I believe those are original, guys. Standard steering wheel. It's got the correct seat belts in it. Headliner's nice. Steering wheel's real nice. It's got the Hurst shifter in it. 60,963. It's got the center mount fuel gauge with the tach. Tach does have a mind of its own. You'll start it up, it'll peg out, but then you drive down the road and boom, it comes on. Radio didn't work, blower motor works. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust on it, 12 bolt 373 limited slip rear end. Yeah, we've got the seal for that. Dust. A little sloppy with it. Put that new trunk seal in. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Again, we've got the door seal for it, or the bed seal for it. What happened? There's dust everywhere, man. Pretty car. Yeah, nice underneath. 12 bolt 373 limited slip. I think I might have already said that. Stainless tailpipes. Great sound. A lot of power. I mean, this thing rocks. They definitely, looks like they replaced the seals there. Seats are nice. They might have redid these seats, guys. They're awfully nice. Dash pad's nice. Again, steering wheel's nice. Parking brake works. Go ahead, Eddie. Let's start it. Again, you can see a little age to the door handles. Sometimes it'll peg, fuel gauge works. But I'd say that's just pretty simple. They say this guy didn't drive this car. Brake lights. Right turn signal. Reverse. Oh, it's got a sound. Radio does not work. Blower motor works. You can see that all the dash lights and stuff work. Got to check on the wipers. The wipers aren't working, Eddie. Headlights. Taking off on me. Left turn. You're good. Go ahead and keep it off. Go ahead and shut it off. Turn your headlights off. Turn your headlights off, Eddie. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video. Let's see how this one runs.